Hello and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to show you this 8-pointed mandala. I have tied 4 dowels on my mandala tool. If you want to know how I made this mandala tool, then click the link on the screen, or I'll share the link in my description box too. I am tying all the 4 dowels together. Now I'll go around all the dowels to make. Now I have completed the octagon and I have marked 3 inches from the edge on each of the dowels. Now I'm going to spin my yarn on each dowel till the point I have marked. I complete all of them and then again go around each dowel to make an octagon at this point. I'll go around twice. Now I have tied the blue yarn inside the point, you can see, and I will go around all the 4 sides here. Actually, I'll go around 3 sides now. I've gone on all 3 sides, and then I'll take the yarn to the alternate dowel. I'll leave one and then go to the next one. So again I'll go on all the 4 sides here. As you can see, I'm going out around 4 sides at each point. And this will form a square like this. Just continue for 4 to 5 times with each color. The second round also keep repeating. So this is how it looks after I complete the blue color. Now I'm going to do the same technique on the dowels that I have left. So this blue formed a square, and with this pink also I'll form another square, but with the dowels that are left behind from the first time. And every time you change the side or the color, you just go above the previous yarns. So here you can see I'm going with the pink yarn, I'm going above the blue yarn. I've completed both of them. Now I've started with the second round of the blue shade. So I wanted to show you here that for the first time here I will just go around the three sides. Now when I'll cross here, as you can see, I have gone above the blue and the pink yarn, but when I'm going to pull the thread, I'm pulling it between the blue and the pink yarn. Now here I wanted to say that after I completed, my choice preference was, I'm not very happy with what I chose here, the colors. You definitely do it with different color than what I've done, but I wanted to show you the technique, how I've done it. See, this is what it's looking now. So I wanted to show you the last color I did, because it's almost filled. I wanted to show you from where I'm taking out the thread yarn. Here, see, I went down the pink, all the pink shades here. So it's completed. Now for the next round I have taken a shade of pink and I am making a different technique here, which I used in my flower mandala technique, for the flower mandala, but this time I'm doing it from behind the main side, you see. So I am doing the same technique, but I am going just below all the dowels, below the dowel. This technique is like you leave two dowels and go on to the third flower, third diamond shape, and you go around three sides. I'll share the flower mandala link also in the description, you can check it out. See, it's looking like the flower mandala from behind. So I did this with all those 8 dowels, so the pink color is all throughout it. Now I'm going round to make a star, that is leaving each dowel, I'll go around it, leaving 2 dowels, I'll go around the third dowel. So this way, after you complete one round, this is how it looks, and I'll repeat it with other colors also, other shades of green also. This is completed. Now I did with 2 more shades of green, and then I'll just finish it off with a pink and a green yarn, forming an octagon on all the sides. So this is how it looks. As I said, I'm not very happy with the color combination. You definitely would need to do it with other colors. But if you have enjoyed the technique, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others also, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.